Welcome back to Aviation This Week. Today's edition is brought to you by Lavero Aviation, your aviation solutions provider. I'm Justin Bellmore, and this week in aviation news, Bombardier claims its Global 7000 business jet is now officially the longest-range business aircraft in existence. Ratings agency Fitch Group says ultra-low-cost carriers don't pose an immediate threat to Air Canada and WestJet. And Virgin Galactic's VSS Unity safely and successfully completes her first supersonic rocket-powered flight. All your news right here after this brief message from our sponsor. Bombardier is breaking records. The aircraft manufacturer from Montreal said that its Global 7000 business jet can fly up to 7,700 nautical miles, 300 more than originally promised. And with the jet's full-size kitchen, crew suite, and 4 different living spaces, it will also be one of the largest business jets in the sky. 1,800 hours of test flights for the new aircraft were flown between Sydney, Dubai, and Hawaii. The Global 7000 is set to hit the market in the second half of 2018. There's a growing market for ultra-low-cost carriers in Canada, but are they a threat to WestJet or Air Canada? Fitch Group says not yet. The ratings group says that the low-cost carriers' short-term gains are no cause for concern. They think the real competition will actually be between the 2 Canadian airlines, with the much smaller WestJet coming out with big plans for the next 4 years. WestJet plans to launch an ultra-low-cost carrier branded as Swoop by the summer of 2018, using 10 high-density 737-800s to offer low-cost domestic service. WestJet will also receive 10 787-9s between 2019 and 2021 that will be used to expand its currently limited international presence. Air Canada got to work with the launch of 29 new routes in 2017 and also took delivery of 9 new Boeing 737 Dreamliners in the third quarter. However, Fitch Group's report also says the gradually increasing fuel prices may pose an earnings challenge to Canada's largest carrier. Virgin Galactic rockets past its latest milestone. The spaceflight company announced the first successful supersonic flight of Spaceship Two VSS Unity, marking the start of the final portion of Unity's flight test program. Unity's carrier aircraft Eve climbed to a launch altitude of over 46,000 feet over the Sierra Nevada mountains, and while pointing back at Mojave, Eve executed a clean release of Unity. This milestone comes after a 4-year hiatus resulting from the 2014 VSS Enterprise test flight accident that killed co-pilot Michael Alsbury and seriously injured pilot Peter Siebold. That accident was caused by early involuntary deployment of the feathering system, which caused the aircraft to break apart in the air. In reference to the accident, Virgin Galactic says that it addressed the feathered configuration for Unity and, quote, incorporated additional safety mechanisms. This is Annex Business Media's Niche TV. Thanks again to our sponsor, Lavero Aviation, your aviation solutions provider. Send in your nominations for our annual Top 20 Under 40 feature by May 1st at wingsmagazine.com and helicoptersmagazine.com. And be sure to tune in to our next episode on Friday, April 27th for the latest in aviation news. I'm Justin Bellmore. We'll see you next time.